I'm sure you've heard the news. There's a way to unlock your best life, and I'm here to show you how. Imagine waking up every day with a clear sense of purpose and excitement. Sounds amazing, right? In my course, based on my book, Unlock Your Best Life, a step-by-step guide to personal growth and empowerment, you'll discover how to make that dream a reality. First, we'll dive into understanding your why. Discover the true motivations that drive you. Then, we'll move on to mindset mastery, where you'll learn to cultivate a growth mindset that turns challenges into opportunities. Next, you'll master vision and goal setting. Picture your ideal life and set achievable goals to get there. Time management and productivity will teach you how to balance it all, so you can achieve more without burning out. Emotional intelligence is key to managing your emotions and relationships effectively. You'll learn to navigate both with grace. Building confidence will help you overcome fear and self-doubt, empowering you to take bold steps forward. And let's not forget mindfulness and well-being. Cultivate inner peace and resilience. Finally, action and accountability will ensure you move forward with momentum, turning your dreams into reality. By the end of this course, you'll have the clarity, confidence, and actionable skills to truly unlock your best life. Ready to start your journey? Let's do this!